Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the configure form layout method and form design methods. Okay, just have a look here. So first you should navigate it to the incident and create new. Just choose the create new. Then it will also open the some new form. So now in our new form, so there is the some methods are there. Okay. So in our new form, so just let we make the some fields are created or some fields are okay, some views are created or sections are created by the help of our configure form layout method. So how we are doing the such type of things? So then simply to do that, so just you should also place it the mouse in our this main section. Okay, so then right side click and go to the configure form layout method. Hi friends, sorry to say that. So I have the some network issue. That's why I will also reconnect it again. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Just have a look. Are you able to see my screen? Now let me choose the
Able,
configure form layout. Is it visible? Is it visible? Please respond. Is it visible?
visible, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So now let me give you the again okay, one time repeating one time just repeating the particular things, that is the creation of the field, view and section. So in our form layout method, so come to this place. Okay, so when we are adding on the any field in our incident form, so that is the let we created. Okay, how we are created that field. So while we are choosing the form layout method, so then simply to appear the this particular okay window. So now in this window, so there is an option, so that is the create new field option is there. So in that, so you should write, okay, you should enter the that particular field name. So that is the for example, let me take that personal info. Okay, so that is the field is the string, and how much of length, that is also length is also there, that is the personal things are there, and that field length is the 100. Okay, so 100 characters. So just add on that personal info. Okay, just that personal info is where you have to place the particular field in our form. So that is also important. So that is the just we should also put it on our okay this side. So then save that. So that is the first one is the creation of the field, and where you should also place it the particular field. Both the things will happen. Okay, we'll also do that by the help of configure form layout. So now save that after. Okay, after saving the data, then simply to close that. So after closing the after closed the particular okay, the data, then simply to appear in our particular form. So that is the personal info that is there. Okay, so this is the creation of our fields, and now we are going to create the view or section. So let me see that, just creating the section. So section point of view in of the left side, so there are some options are there, that is the view and section. So now we are also creating the new section, so that is the new is there. So you should also keep it, okay, you should also put it the new name. So just that is the, for example, related info and requested info, just requested info section. So just okay that. So what are the fields will be there in our requested info? So that requested info fields are that is the, for example, channel is there, for example channel, and our um, comments and work notes. Okay, so those are the two fields will be.
How can we find out, sir, actually?
We should actually, those things are not find out actually, so those all are the client requirements. What are the fields are, will keep it in our particular section. So those all the details will be given in our particular stories. Okay, so by the way of stories, then only able to keep it the particular fields. So this is the our demo. So that means the let we assume that some of the fields will be put it in our particular section. Okay, but in our real time point of view, let they mention all the things. So these fields are put it in our first section, and these fields are put it in our second section, third section, fourth section. So those all the details will be available in our particular stories. That is the thing is there.
Okay, okay, fine.
Now come to that. So those details, okay, is it form the particular section or not in our form. So just let me check that our form. So that is the requested info is there, and our fields are also there. So that is the channel. Okay, channel are appeared here. Okay, and actually comments and especially comments and something another field is also there, but it shouldn't be representing here. So maybe if, let me check again. So why the particular form why that particular field are not reflecting this place, let me check that. So go to that place, configure form layout, and our requested info. So yes, already button is there, comments and work notes. So but it is not reflecting this side. That means so maybe if the ticket is belongs to existing, so then that time only it will be representing. That might be chances are there. Some of the fields are when already data is there, then only able to appear the those particular things. So that type of fields are also available. Okay, that type of fields are also uh, made that generally. So and escalation things are also there. So escalation and follow up. Okay, so just save that. So now those fields are appeared in our particular info or not. Yes, that is the channel is there, escalation is there, follow up is there. So now why it is not appearing, so let me check by the another way, so I will tell you later. So that is the just now let me created the another one, that is the view. So what is the purpose of view? Already we have discussed in earlier class. View means to see, to simply to say that it is helpful for our form. Okay, simplifying that, it is mainly helpful for simplifying the form presentation. So that is the benefit of view. So yesterday we have created, okay, now we should also created the view, another view. So that is the, so left side already view name is there, so just you have to choose it the new. So then click on that. So and view name is here. So that is the personal, sorry, developer view, for example developer view. So just we have to create the developer view here. So in our developer view, okay, so these are the fields are there, and we should also add on the some fields. So that is the active is also required. Active. So active field is also required, and business impact, and contract. So configuration item, and location. So most of the fields are will be put it in our this side. Why? Because that is a developer view. So developer view point of view, let they see all the fields mostly. Okay, so that view is okay, mainly to watch the all the fields. Why? Because he has developed the total form. So that's why, so those type of things are also do in our developer view. Okay, let it be. So those are the things are there, okay, for creation of the fields, views, and sections. Okay, sections. Now another method is also there for creating of the fields and views and sections. So that is the second method is there, that is the form design. So actually that is the first method, but okay, I will say, I will tell you that that is being as a, okay, that is simply to say that that is the second time, okay, second one. So that is the form design method. So how we are creating the fields, views, and sections in our form design method. So it is also very simple compare with that one, but sometimes it is it must be preferable to the form layout, and sometimes preferable to the form design. So after completion of these two methods, let me, okay, let we discuss about of the what is the difference between the both. So I will tell you that. Just have a look. So how to create the new field in our form design. So just have a look here. So before going to create the new field, first let we know the data type. So the data type is, so already I said to you that, so those are the data types are number of types are there, almost 30 to 40 data types are there. But when we know the minimum 10 data types, it's fine for us. Why? Because so those are the string, integer, date, okay, and journal input, and our choice field, so reference. So those are the regularly used. Okay, so those are the type of fields are regular, those are the data types regularly used here. So now come to that. So I will insert it to the new one, that is the date date field. So just simply to pick and drag it here in our form design. So that is the new date. So now you should also change the date. So that is the DOB of caller, DOB of caller, and their name. So this is the backend value. So this is the backend value of the particular thing. So u underscore, so that is the one doubt is, okay, DOB of caller. So sometimes let they ask you, so while you are creating the custom field, okay, so what is the backend value? Okay, what is the, is there any difference between the existing field and our custom field? So there is a difference. So that is the, our existing field directly to representing the their backend value is the DOB of caller only, but our custom field will also representing generally. So that is the u underscore DOB of caller. So that is the difference is there. Just simply to, okay, make that amendment and cancel that, just it's fine. Okay, so this is the creation of the field. So but the one of the thing is, first you should also take it the that data type. Okay, the data type field. So then simply to pick it here and drop it here in our particular section. So that is there. And now let me see that. So let we created the new section. So how we are creating the section? So that is the easiest here, especially in our form design. So that is the, these are the sections, requested info, related info, okay, these are the sections. So just you have to simply to pick that, okay, there are the some plus button is there and into is there. So into means delete the particular section, plus means add the section. So just click on that plus button, then you should also get the new section. So you should also make that amendments. That section name is also you have to change it here directly. So that is the our uh, ticket details. So that is there. So that is the section creation. So how much of easy here in our sections, okay? And is that section is having the two columns type or one column? So let me choose that. So that is the only one column, then simply to take one column, okay? And you should also add on the any fields here in this ticket details, then simply to add it. So already existing fields are already there. So if you want to take the some existing fields only, then simply to pick that existing field here, okay, then put it on this one. So that is the due date of the ticket, for example. So that is there, just simply to place it here. And work notes, so just place it here. So that is the way to, okay, add on the fields and creation of the fields. And after the, okay, changes, after the changes, then you should also do the save of the particular form. So just save the form. Now these amendments will representing in our form level while your form is reloading. So then only able to, okay, appear those fields. So just have a look here in our form. So dob of color is also adding here, and we should also add on the one another section, that is the ticket details. So in the ticket details there are the fields are there, due date is there, work notes is there, okay? So that is the way to creating of the our fields and our section. And another one is also there, that is the view. So how we are created the view in our form design? So there is an option in our left side top corner, so that is the views are there. So now we are being as a manager view, but you should also created the new view. So for that, just going to down, so there is an option, that is the new is there. So just click on that. So now you should also mention that view name. So that is the our, okay, team lead, lead view, team lead view. So just place it that. And in that, after creating of this field, so now what are the fields, only keep it here, okay? So those fields are only keep it in this place, and other fields are simply to delete it, okay? So those are the, for example, these are the details are not required. So that is the our channel is not required, okay? And reason universal request is not required, and category is not required. So and so some of the details are not required. So just delete the particular details and save it here. So now let me see that. So that is the so now we are being as a manager view. So if you want to choose the next time, okay, that is the view is our, so that is there. Just let you wait that. So in our list view, so then let me see that default manager view, so workspace view, okay, and filter group by, okay, show team lead. So no, so that is not representing. So let me see that. So now let me see that, open the particular form again. So now views are there. So just have a look here. So there are views, that is the team lead view is there. Just click on that team lead view. So then that will be appeared here. So in our team lead, so you should also remove the some fields, okay? So that fields are disappeared in our form. So that is the way of creation of the fields, views and sections, okay? So that is the way is there. Now going back here, and now let me see that is there any difference between the configure form layout and form design. So yes, it is a one difference. So that is the in our configure form layout point of view, one of the uh, advantage is there. That is the just let me take that configure form layout. Just let me go to configure form layout here. So that is the just have a look here. Dead expanding. Umesh, are you there?
Anna?
Eh, Tell me that what is the difference between form layout and form design? Is there any benefit in our form layout? Is there any advantage? Sravya, you also?
And PLC sections create easy
Actually, in
to
our farm layout is having the beautiful future. One of the future is there. So what is the future? This one. ఏంటిది ఆ ఫ్యూచర్ ఏంటి? Tell me that. So that is the dot walking is there. Okay.
dot working other things.
You will tell okay, so that is the one of the beautiful future is there in our especially to that in our form layout. So what is the dot walking? So it simply to say that it allows the direct scripting access for related, okay, it allows the direct scripting access of the fields and fields on related records. So so that dot walking is helpful for that. So while we are taking the color, so just let me take that color is there. So when we are selecting the color, so whatever the reference and fields, not only color, so what are the fields are having the plus, okay, so those all are that data type is the reference. So this data type, this referenced fields are having the, okay, dot walking option. So that dot walking means we should also get the that their total record details, okay, will be easily to get it in our form level. So that is the color is there. Now you should also expanding that field. So while we are expanding that, so then just have a look here. So that is the caller, okay, caller email. So that is there, just drag into this side, and caller first name, just drag into this side, and caller manager, so drag into this side. So now these values are belongings to caller details. So now just put it in our under the caller. Just have a look. So this is there, just save that, just save that. So the dot walking will help you to okay, drag the their particular details. That is the while you are selecting the this particular person, so that is the our persons are now Benjamin Shekade, okay. So while we are doing that, so then simply to reflecting their first name and email and their manager. Actually the manager is not there in our Benjamin Shekade user record, so that's why it is not reflecting. So that is the way, okay, that is the benefit of our dot walking, okay. So that is the beautiful feature in our form layout level, okay. And form design, so form design is also one of the beautiful feature. So that is the, let me take that. formatters are there in our formatters, fields, formatters. So these all are maybe okay formatters. Yes, there are some formatters are there. Yes, so those are the some formatters are there already here. So that is the contextual search formatter. Okay, and is there any formatter are appeared here? Yes, so that is the activities filter formatter. Okay, activities filtered formatter. So parent breadcrumb formatter and resolution shaper. Okay, so these are the, now let me see that there are some formatters are there. Those are the process flow formatter and contextual search formatter and activities formatter and work nodes. So near to work nodes, so that is the one of the formatter is there. Okay, so those are the formatters will use, okay, while you are taking the in our form design level. So that is the benefit of formatter. Okay, so those formatters will be add on our particular this place. So that is the, these formatters only will our keep it will only able to keep it in this particular place. So activities filter formatter. So activities filter formatter will help you out that. So that is the work nodes. So where we are having the work nodes, and this is the place where the button of work nodes. Yes, so work nodes. So these formatters what we do generally in our form level. So just let me see that. So just save that. Okay, so that is there. And now going to see that. So let me open the some existing records. So why? Because how they are helpful in our records. So especially to the formatters. Formatters will help you out that. So that is the simple type of filtering. So that is there. So existing records. So let me take out created on last week. Created on last week. Okay, run that. So these are the existing records. So now let me open the particular existing record and let me see that. So these are the formatters are available in this particular place. When we are add on the okay activities filter formatter in this place, so that is the, that will help you out that, that is the, so this is the activities filter formatter. So just have a look here. So this is the activities formatter. So while keep it in our activities filter formatter in our particular form, so that is the our work nodes place, work nodes under. So then that is giving you that the, so what type of updates only let you okay let you take. So only if the particular field update is there, then only able to presenting the in our work nodes. So if you are all is there already all there, so but you shouldn't take that. So only work nodes updation and our resolution code and resolution note and okay, so and state point of view and priority point of view. So whatever the activities only let we see, so those are only okay selecting here. So those type of data will be only able to see in our work nodes. Okay, so that is the to sort out of the their updates, their ticket updates, especially while you are okay while you are placing the filter activities. Okay, that is the activities filter formatter. So that is the benefit is there. So that type of formatters will only able to okay uh, put it in our only form design method, mostly form design. So that is preferable. So and another one is the process flow formatter is there. So the process flow formatter means while we are opening the problem page, so then at the front, that is the first of the section is there. So that is the that state section. So new SS and RCA and fix in progress, whatever the states are there, those all are appeared. So that is happen, that graphical representation of the states are happen by the help of process flow formatter. So while you are selecting the process flow formatter, so just when we are placing the process flow formatter in your application form, so then simply to represent that particular formatter in this place. So that is there. So activities filter formatter and this one, and another one is the this one. So that is the our short description. So short description just have just so that is there activities formatter. And another one is the so another one is so contextual search formatter. Already we have discussed about of that. When we are just selecting the our short description, that is the issue with something. So then if already article is published regarding the particular issue, then that articles all are would be displayed on our particular displays. So that is happen while we are inserting the contextual search formatter in our form. So that is the benefits of formatters. So that is there. So form layout is form layout. By the help of form layout, while we are creating the some fields and at the same time dot walking, it's fine for us. So and sometimes form design is helpful for especially to inserting the formatters. So these are the main differences are there in our form layout and form design. Okay guys, now the session is going to so now